Hi friends, Amanda with Happy Hoppas here. If you have been following our Instagram or just know us, you know that we are huge Disney fans. So I am so excited to be showing you JuJuBe and Disney's newest limited release. This is going to be Once Upon a Time. It is absolutely gorgeous. I'm so excited. So this was inspired by your Saturday morning comic books. It features the first 6 princesses in the Disney family. You have Snow White, you have Aurora, Belle, Cinderella, Ariel, and Jasmine. So this print holds a very special place in my heart because these are the princesses I grew up with. All the metal is black metal hardware with this really pretty pop of coral color. And this is a Zealous that I'm showing you. This is my first Zealous and I am really impressed with it. I think it might be one of my new favorite bags. The hardware for this collection. So when you have the double zipper pulls, you have this really pretty castle with fireworks. Zipper pull. And then if you have a single zipper, you are going to have this beautiful, let's see if I can get it in focus. You're going to have this beautiful castle. And again, with that really pretty pop of coral. It is so pretty. I love all the small details. So this is a Zealous. Like I said, this is my first Zealous. So I was very interested in checking it out. You do have the standard things that we love about JuJuBe in this bag. So you have the D-rings, so you can attach it to the stroller. You have the padded backpack straps that are adjustable. And you've got the mesh, so it's nice airflow for you. It is machine washable. Oh, and then I wanted to mention that a lot of people have been saying it's black and white. It's more of a creamy white, but it's really pretty. It's a really pretty print. I really like it. Okay, going back to the bag. Sorry about that. So JuJuBe sent me the Zealous, a Be Dapper, and a Passy Pod. So we are gonna pack up this Zealous as if we were going to the parks. Disneyland is our home park, so that is what we're going to be packing it up as. I have a very good feeling this is going to be our parks bag when we return to the parks because they're opening very soon and we are very excited. All right, so you do have 2 bottle pockets, 1 bottle pocket on this side and 1 bottle pocket on this side. And then I did mention the D-rings. You have this front zipper right here. You can get a little sneak peek of the interior lining. So that's a good size pocket. Let's see if I can move this down a little bit more. There we go. All right, and then you have this big, what I'll call the mommy parent pocket. We have my favorite key leash. And then you have 1 big zipper right here, zipper pocket, and that goes all the way down to the bottom of the bag. And then you have these 2 open pockets right here. And those also go all the way down to the back. All right. And then next up, we're gonna hop up here real quick. This is where I usually keep my wallet. It is nice, soft lined. So if you can see, it's a really soft lining in there. So I usually keep my wallet and then I can keep my phone in there because this pocket is big. It is big enough for my wallet, so I can totally keep my phone with it as well. And then we're gonna jump back to the main compartment. It does have the 2 zippers on either side. And the Zealous is gusseted, so it doesn't fall all the way down like the BRB does. So I'm gonna give you a close-up of this interior. It is, look how pretty that is. So you have the princesses' names on there and some of their little icons that we know and love from them and their movies. All right, so that is what the interior looks like. It does come with a change pad. So we've got the change pad. Beautiful. This back, you have those, the wipes. I call them the wipe straps. I like to keep my wipes up there so I have easy access to them. So you have one big pocket back here, and then you have two mesh pockets in front of that pocket, in front of the big one. And then on the front flap, or the front panel, you have two mesh pockets as well that go all the way down to the back. So we are going to pack this up as if we were going to the parks. So I'm gonna put the change pad back in here, fold that under. All right, let's start off with the Passy Pod. Like I said, this is the Passy Pod. I do not have babies anymore. I miss that stage, but Passy Pods are great because after you're done using them for passies, you can use them for so many other things. I know people use their earbuds in here, or round combs, hair clips. I like to put my sanitizer in here, and I just tuck it underneath so I'm not afraid it's gonna come out. Look, it's nice and safe in there, and then I can put some other little bobby pins or anything I needed to on that side. And zip it up, and I have easy access to my sanitizer. Perfect. All right, so this very front pocket, we're gonna put our face coverings in there. We've got 3 face coverings, adult and 2 children. I'm gonna put those in there. And then in this mommy pocket, what I like to call the mommy pocket, I'm gonna flap that down. We're gonna put my keys. Again, if you've been following me, my keys are very chunky. I've got 2 key fobs on there. And we're gonna bring our reusable straws and a marker. I always like to have a marker handy. And then we have our rechargeable battery pack and a cord, because those long days in the parks, your phone is gonna die taking all those pictures. And then my sunglass case, which again is pretty thick. All right. And then actually we have an extra pocket in here. We can actually put our gum, our lip balm, and some extra little Band-Aids just in case we get owies. Put those in there, that's perfect. And then we have room. Why not? We have medicine and lotion. And we're gonna put that, all right, sorry about that. So we have the medicine and lotion in this pocket, right there. And then in this pocket, we have the lip balm, the Band-Aids, and the gum. In this back pocket, we have the battery pack and the cord. And then I'm just gonna toss my hairbrush in here. Yeah, that's a really big pocket. I'm very impressed with that pocket. All right, we are going to put my wallet up in this top pocket up here. It's a full-size wallet. And then we're gonna pretend I put my phone in here too, but I'm using it to record. So we're just gonna pretend for today. All right, and then for the main compartment. All right, so we have our change pad in there. We are going to put our wipes in here. All right, wipes go in there. Oh, there we go. All right, so we have sunblock, because you are gonna need it when you go to the parks. And then I have extra clothes for my son, just in case he wants a change of clothes or he gets wet on a ride. These are size 7, so you can see they're thicker, but they fit nicely in here. And then just in case you want your little lovey You put your lovey in here too. We're gonna put it in this back, I don't know, where should we put it? Let's put it in front of the change pad. That's a good idea. All right, and then JuJuBe also sent me a bead dapper. So this is the bead dapper. It's really nice. It is deceivingly big because it folds up very compactly. But that is the bead dapper. It does have a handle, which makes it really nice, just grabbing it out of your bag. It has a zipper right here. Great for creams or anything you might need for baby. And yeah, this is a very big bag. So we are gonna use this bag for our ponchos for when we go on rides like Splash Mountain. I'm gonna put a plastic bag for if our clothes get wet, we have something that's not gonna get the rest of our bag wet, and I'm just gonna put that in that small little zipper right there. And then I have an adult rain poncho from Disneyland and a child's rain poncho from Disneyland. And I'm just gonna put them in here, and it fits really nicely, and they scrunch up too. Like you can see, there's still a lot of room in there. I could probably fit another adult and another child in there and be able to, let's see, is that a better view? So yeah, there's still a lot of room in there, but those are the only two I have, so we're gonna use those two. And then we're gonna put this in our bag. And that's it. And then if you wanted to get really fancy and you're a huge Disney fan, you can bring your Disney ears. And we're just gonna put those right in front. And I like this bag because it's wide enough to fit ears. Look at that. All ready for the parks. I am so excited. So there you have it. This is Once Upon a Time from JuJuBe and Disney. Let me know what you think about this print below. What pieces are you going to be getting? I will leave a full lineup of all the pieces in this collection in my blog and in the description box below. Yeah, let me know. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Hope you all have a great day. Bye.